Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class. Before going to the today class, Good Citizen Part 3, a short recap of the last class. In last class, we have seen the good values and its types. Good values, personal values, cultural values, social values, disciplinary values, and constitutional values. Personal values are the one which makes an individual in good condition. Cultural values towards your culture, tradition. Social values towards your society. Disciplinary values, how disciplined you have to be in a society. Constitutional values towards law and order. Social values, maintain good relation with people, respect elders, respect nature, be tolerant, maintain friendship. Disciplinary values, punctuality, involvement, treating everyone as equal, doing work on time, holding your morals, doing duties without fail. Today we are going to see constitutional values and citizen. The word constitution means law and order. The basic rules and laws found by our government is called constitution. Every person or individual have to follow certain constitutional values. For example, safeguard the public properties. We have we have to take care of all the properties owned by the government. For example, hospital, park, bus stand, railway station, post office, etc. Maintain the unity and integrity of a nation. The word unity means live together. The people in the society have to live together. Develop scientific attitude. The scientific attitude is indeed closely related to the scientific method, and this method gives the evidence of the attitude. Protect the natural resources. The natural resources are very important to every human being to live and survive in the world. Care for environment is essential for the healthy living. Honor the national symbols. For example, the national anthem was sung. You have to stand and pay your attention to the national anthem. Respect the martyrs and the sacrifice. We must respect the martyrs because they sacrificed their life to safeguard our nation. Preserve our culture and heritage. Cultural heritage is an expression of the ways of living developed by a community and passed on from one generation to another generation. Develop patriotism. The word patriotism means love and respect towards your country. These are some constitutional values. Every single person should follow this. We are seeing all the good values. Now we are going to see about the citizen. A citizen is a person who is a member of a particular country and enjoys the various rights and execute its duties. A sovereign state provides the citizenship to the people. Right to live, right to vote, right to work and reside anywhere in the country are other rights enjoyed by the citizens. How to be a good citizen at school. Listening to your teacher, follow the rules of the school, be respectful to your classmates and teachers, be kind and helpful, share and cooperate with your friends, be honest, be responsible. How to be a good citizen in your community. Help and be active in your community, keep your community clean, protect the environment, be a good neighbor, follow the rules and laws. How to be a good citizen at home. Helping my parent, follow the rules of the home, be respectful to the grandparents, parents, siblings and relatives, be honest and truthful to my parents. The factors that enriches good values: literacy, creating awareness and interest, trying hard till success, one's own evaluation, acceptance, self-confidence. Literacy. Literacy means the ability to read and write. Every individual to know to read and write. Creating awareness. Awareness, the knowledge about something. trying hard till success. We have to try hard till we reach the success. One's own evaluation. We have to evaluate ourselves. Self evaluation is a very important. We must know our strength and weakness. Acceptance. We have to accept each and everything. Self confidence. It's very important. All must have the self confidence. Self confidence will boost our work. These are the factors that enriches our good values. Factors that affect our values. Communalism, extreme faith towards your religion. Extreme faith is also create a problem of a good citizen. Don't break the rules. Breaking the rules of government. It's affect the good values of citizen. We have to obey the rules and regulation. Spitting and dumping the garbages anywhere. Garbages mean trashes or waste. We don't dumping the garbages in the street or any other place. We have to put in the dustbin. Polluting the land and water. Polluting the land, water, and air causes many infections and many problems to us. So, we should not pollute the land, water, and air. These are the factors that affect our values. Thank you, children.